Morning, dear children. In the previous video, we read about J.R.D. Tata. We spoke about his childhood and his passion for flying. He became the first Indian to get a pilot's license. Later, he was known as the father of the Indian civil aviation. He was the one who founded India's first commercial airline, that is Tata Airlines. Tata Airlines was founded in the year 1932. In 1946, it became Air India, and now it is India's international airline. Till 1978, JRD was the chairman of the Indian Airlines and Air India. Chairman is a person like how we have school principal, manager, supervisor. Similarly, chairman is a person who is the head of the meeting of a company. In the year 1938, he became the chairman. That time he was 34 years old. He became the chairman of the Tata Group. For 52 years, he held that post, means he was a chairman for 52 years. He was very sincere and diligent. Diligent means very hardworking. Tata started several enterprises. Enterprises means many companies under the leadership of J.R.D. Tata. From airlines to hotels, trucks, locomotives. Locomotives means engines. We have an engine for the train, that is called locomotives. Then chemicals, medicines, financial services, tea, air conditioners, cosmetics. Look at these pictures. These are Tata's airlines. Vistra, Sia Airlines, Air India, they all belong to Tata Group. Read the textbook on page number 107. You will get to know about all the companies of the Tata Group. He loved art. He encouraged sports. He also started the Cricket Club of India. He founded many famous educational institutions in India. Look at this picture. This is the Cricket Club of India. It is in Mumbai at Churchgate. JRD was a very sensitive person. He used to feel sad looking at the poor people. He made efforts to improve the condition of the poor. He built up Tata Charitable Trust. He wanted people to be happy and did all he could. JRD spent a lot of time with books. He had an entire shelf of books on aviation, on military, on sports cars and motor racing. He also liked to read crime fiction. Tata is successful due to the people who are working for them. Tata Steel was one of the earliest companies in India to have a special department to look after the welfare of its workers. They had a special department who will look after the welfare. Welfare means for the good of the workers. He was concerned about the feelings of others. He believed to lead men, you have to lead with affection. Means if you want to be a leader, you should treat your team with love and care. He had great love and respect for people, and in return, the people also loved him. Many people were inspired by him. Have you all heard about Kalpana Chawla? Yes, she was an astronaut. She died in the Columbia Space Shuttle disaster. The space shuttle became out of control and it blasted. Now we will talk about JRD's awards. Look at this picture. Here you can see JRD Tata is receiving the Padma Vibhushan award. He received the Padma Vibhushan Award in the year 1957, the day when Air India celebrated its silver jubilee. The Padma Vibhushan is the second highest civilian award of the Republic of India after the Bharat Ratna. The award is given for exceptional and distinguished service. The award is given on Republic Day. He also received Guggenheim Medal for Aviation in the year 1988, and he also received the Bharat Ratna in the year 1992 for his contribution to industry and nation building. When he was told that he was going to receive the Bharat Ratna, he said, "Why me? I don't deserve it. The Bharat Ratna is usually given to people who are dead, or it is given to politicians. I am not prepared to oblige the government or the former, and I am not the later." Then in the year 1992, he also received the United Nations Population Award. In 1991, at the age of 87, J.R.D. Tata retired from Tata Sons. He died on the 29th of November 1993 in Geneva. Geneva is in Switzerland. At the age of 89, India lost her most precious man. Children, here we come to an end of this chapter, and so is the history portion over. Children, for the homework, you will do the exercises on page number 100 and 110. Question number 1, question number 2 and question 3 only. In things to do, you will do only the grid. That's the question number 2. Alright? Write the answers in your rough notebook because your notebooks are with me. Okay? Do not wait for your notebooks to come. Start studying. Bye and take care.